how to download Google Chrome on your PC or your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first things first, you have to go to your Microsoft Edge and then search for Google Chrome. And then once you have searched for it, enter it and then search for a download link option by scrolling down. Tap on the download Google Chrome option. And while doing that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. Now you'll see an interface like this. Tap on download Chrome and then it will start downloading. Once it is downloaded, it will be available on the top right corner and you just have to tap on it and an install option will show on your screen. So tap on install and it will ask if you want Google to make any changes, and you'll just have to tap in yes, and the Google Chrome will be downloaded to your PC. Or don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.